Hi everyone. Today let's just have fun. Download the Asphalt 8. Let me show you how to drift, how to perform a barrel, how to perform a perfect run, how to perform perfect run, flat spin. Just have fun. This is what I do if I'm not programming, if I'm not coding, if I'm not creating that website, if I'm not in class, if I'm not teaching. Have fun. Enjoy. So there we go. Asphalt 8. Airborne. Loading. Uh-oh. Not now, not now, not now. So let's start with the career race. There are several races you can participate in. There's the first, the career, the World Series, Gauntlet, events, motor blitz, quick race. But today let's focus on the career race. Career race. I'm going to take you through the other races soon. Just click on the subscribe button for my channel and wait for it. So click play. Let's start with this. Street Rules, Season 3, Classic Basics, Barcelona. And here we are. Already played this race and I won. One big time, man. First position, perfect runs 3, barrel rolls 2, 1 lap, race 6 with this machine. Oh, so just observe. I'm going to, on your far right, I'm going to indicate some of the what I'm doing on my keyboard. So just observe, just enjoy. Have fun. So there we go. I think I just love that. So should I upgrade it? Not sure. I just let me knock this. Haha, knock that. I knocked the other guy. Uh-oh, drifting. Pressing my key, one hand on my right arrow. Let me spin here. Spinning. Uh-oh. Wanted to perform a barrel roll. There we go. Barrel roll. One. Haha. There we go. Meet us in nitro. Uh-oh, flat spin. Oh, that was a wreck. This happens when you're not. The good thing is Asphalt gives you a chance to race again. So, barrel roll. Do. Yeah, kind of you saw my airtail. That was crazy. Perfect run. I've kept myself on the road. I go. Should I? No. And yeah, I'm about to win the race again. I'm about to win the race again. So let me explain something. To pause a game, just click on escape on your keyboard. It's on the far left hand of your keyboard. So just click escape, ESC on your keyboard, and the game will be paused. To resume, you can use your mouse and just click resume or restart. Okay, also let's just try here and so there we are and escape. We've paused the game. So to drift again, press on your left arrow key or your right arrow key simultaneously with your down or up arrow. This automatically drifts the car. So let's try here. So here we go. The control, I'm controlling using my right and left arrow, and there's an option. So controlling and drifting, I'm pressing my far right arrow key and my down arrow. Then I press space for speed, that's a nitro, and escape. So the spacebar is a very important key. So we perform a barrel. Oh, we had a crash, but I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. Here we perform a barrel. There you go. You must find something that keeps you up in instruction. Is there. You can also use them to do a spin, but today we are going to use them to do a flat. So there we are. I'm going to show you also how to do a flat spin, and there we are. One hand on my left arrow key and the other on the down key. Several spins. So that's how we perform. That's how we perform a flat screen and a flat spin and a barrel run. That's how we perform them. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also download this app so that we can have fun together. I go by the name Olalo Derek, and that's just you can find me on Facebook also, on Twitter. It's in the same handle, but on YouTube you can find me by the name Basic Computer Knowledge.